Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we got an awesome watch face to check out. We got a couple of them, matter of fact. This is Free Watch Face Tuesday, and I think I picked some good ones. All right, you all, let's check the watch face. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we got an awesome find. We got a couple of them, a matter of fact. All right, so we're going to check these watch faces out. Now, if this was a great find, watch an extra video of mine and then hit me in the comment section down below, and of course, let me know your thoughts. Cool? All right, now the name of this watch face is called Sportfer. Very nice looking watch face, very unique looking watch face. But before we get started, in the always on mode, you're going to get a traditional look. So if you're going out and you're about to hit the town, this is going to be a good look in the AOD mode. But when the watch face is on, very unique in design. This one here is a super casual watch face, but you can get away with wearing this watch face dressing up, in my opinion. Now, look at the watch face. It is an analog watch face. It has the second hand going around the bezel of the watch. Now, if you look at the top, that's going to represent your minutes. Now, if you take a look at that second hand, once it reaches 59, then it's going to start all over again at 0. This watch face is cold. Now, you come down, you're going to get your hour, and your hour is going to be lit up in red. So right now, it's like 9:41, somewhere around there. But I'm thinking, very unique look, stands out. You're going to turn some heads with this one. Now, up at the top, you are going to get a digital time in 24 hours. You come down in one of the dials to the left, you're going to get your battery percentage. You're going to also get your heart rate in one circle. And then to the right, you're going to get your steps. And as you can see, I was walking my behind off today, 27,000 steps to end the day. You come down to the bottom, you're going to get your date and your month surrounded by the days. Now, I thought this was a awesome look. I don't know what you're thinking, but again, hit me in the comment section down below. And on top of that, to make sure that this can possibly be a dress-up watch face, double tap in the center, and you can change the color. Now, this is one nice color right here. Oh, single tap. Just single tap, and you can go through the few different colors that this watch face has to offer. I say check this out in the Gear Manager store. Remember, this is Free Watch Face Tuesday, so this watch face is free. So let's check out watch face number 2. Number 2. Now, number 2 is just as nice as number 1. Check it out, right? This one is called Mosaic Ferg. You're looking at this watch face in always on mode. You're pretty much going to get the same look. It's just going to be dimmed down. But I'm telling you, this watch face is absolutely gorgeous. It gives you everything that you could possibly need out of a watch face, right? So if you look up at the top, you're going to get your steps. Come down, you got floors climbed. And it lets you know the month, the miles walked around. You also get the day of the week, your date, the time, heart rate. You get everything, right? And single tap, you can customize the color of the watch face, the design, to whatever you want for that day. And it seems like you get more than one watch face in one. Just single tap. It has several to go through. You can go through 7 days or more with this watch face. I'm telling you, this watch face is a beauty. What do you think, guys? Is this a go? All right, that's going to be Free Watch Face Tuesday. Again, let me know if I picked some good ones. And if I did, watch an extra video right now. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Make sure you watch another video after you download your watch faces. And with that, I will see you all at the next video. So take care.